Hi everyone, I'm Will with Tread TV, and today I'm going to show you how to install these Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 windshield wipers. So today we're going to be installing these Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 windshield wipers on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, let me tell you the best part about these Rain-X Latitudes. There's actually a built-in water repellent coating on the wiper. So not only does it clear, it also repels water off of your windshield wiper. Now, we're going to take the factories off, we're going to put these on, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. So the first step is you want to remove your factory or existing windshield wipers. Now, this is going to be different for every vehicle, and if you have trouble, refer to your owner's manual for help. And now it's time to install the Rain-X Latitudes, and it couldn't be simpler. The first step is to pop the tab on the wiper blade. Next, simply slide it onto your J-hook wiper. And then simply close the tab and you're good to go. If your car doesn't have J-hook wipers, no problem. All you have to do is refer to the instruction manual found inside the Rain-X Latitude packaging for details. And there you have it, Rain-X Latitude wipers installed in seconds. And if you want your own set, you can visit select R&R Tire Express stores and they'll have them in stock waiting for you. I'm Will, and we'll see you next time on Tread TV. Thanks for watching this episode of Tread TV. If you'd like more information on how to care for your vehicle or your tires and wheels, make sure you check out one of our other videos or subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so that you never miss a single update.